The best ergonomic keyboards for 2020. The best. Logitech Ergo K860. Why we picked it. The best ergonomic keyboard you can buy right now is the Logitech Ergo K860. Unlike other keyboards on this list, it sports what Logitech calls a split-curved keyframe. This means the keyboard isn't flat, but is instead elevated on both the front and back ends. This design provides more comfort by allowing your hands to rest in a natural position while typing. The wrist pad packs 3 layers of material to help reduce strain on your wrists. This keyboard is wireless like most and works on multiple platforms. Bluetooth connects the peripheral to 3 devices simultaneously, beating out the others on our list. 2. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Desktop. Why we picked it. While the Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard may not be the fanciest model around, it is easy on the hands and arms. Microsoft's peripheral has a domed, split layout and a reverse tilt design that keeps wrists in a neutral position. The curved, cushioned palm rest provides plenty of support to reduce fatigue. The keys are cleverly arranged to emulate the curvature of human fingers. Microsoft's keyboard lacks customization options, but it's straightforward and reliable. It includes an ergonomic mouse designed for maximum rodent pushing comfort and a separate number pad to reduce your overall travel distance. That's not a bad 3-piece deal for the price. 3. Logitech K350. Why we picked it. If you want a keyboard with a few more bells and whistles, the Logitech K350 may be the right choice. This keyboard is wireless, eliminating at least one of the annoying wires that drape across your desktop surface. It relies on a mere 2 AA batteries, but promises an extended battery lifespan of up to 3 years. The K350's cushioned palm rest and wavy keys gently cradle your hands. They're complemented by a solid construction ensuring the keyboard survives frequent travel. The function keys are fully programmable too using Logitech's free software. 4. Kinesis Freestyle2. Why we picked it. For those who desire even more comfort mixed with an extremely unique design, the Kinesis Freestyle2 is your ticket to ergonomic goodness. Available for both Mac and Windows, it offers a 2-piece design, allowing users to position both their hands and each half as they see fit. The Freestyle2 wirelessly connects to your PC, Android, or iOS device via Bluetooth. Although it doesn't have the nicest keys, the freedom to adjust the 2 halves is a great feature. A single cable measuring 9 inches connects these 2 halves by default, but Kinesis serves up a version with a 20-inch separation too. 5. Adesso Tru-Form 150. Why we picked it. Backlit keyboards are great for dimly lit conditions, eliminating the painful key hunting process for photo or video editors, gamers, and general cave dwellers. Some people find colorful keys a bit gaudy, but there's a big market for customers who find white illumination boring. If that's you, the Adesso Tru-Form 150 will make you feel right at home with a choice of green, red, or blue backlighting with adjustable brightness. This keyboard lacks a cushioned palm rest, but at least it's curved, keeping wrists in a neutral position. It also possesses special function keys for adjusting volume and such. It's not the most comfortable keyboard, but for those who must have lights, it should suffice. 6. Matias Ergo Pro. Why we picked it. While some people despise the loud clicking of mechanical keyboards, those who love it, and the thrilling ping of a keycap pressing against the switch beneath, may be unable to go back to standard keyboards. If you need a keyboard that is both mechanical and ergonomic, the Matias Ergo Pro offers everything you desire. Like the Freestyle2, the Matias is a fully split keyboard, so you can maneuver the 2 halves into whatever positions you feel is most comfortable. This keyboard also sports a cushioned palm rest for maximum comfort, but at an uncomfortable price tag at nearly $200. Still, it has many virtues for the price. 7. Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. Why we picked it. Finally, we round out this batch with another Microsoft ergonomic keyboard. It's wireless, it's pretty, and it's pretty inexpensive compared to the Matias Ergo Pro. It works with any Windows 10 device that supports keyboard-based input via a wireless USB dongle or Bluetooth Low Energy. It requires 2 AAA batteries you'll need to swap out once a year. This Surface-branded keyboard sports a natural arc and slope that's complemented by a 2-tone gray palm rest. It's extremely thin too, measuring up to 1.36 inches at the height of its arc. Other notable features include a key switch life of 500,000 to 10 million presses, multimedia keys, 128-bit ACE encryption, and more.